Welcome. In front of me is a WIKO View GO, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel, expand it, and look for the battery saver toggle, which for me is right over here. Once you find it, simply tap on it. As you can see, once it enables, it does drop your max brightness, and also you do have this red navigation bar at the bottom, just so it signifies that it is right now in power saving mode. And that is how you turn it on. Now to turn it off, all you need to do is simply tap on the toggle once more and everything will go back to normal. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.